Finally, a battery handle that can power your camera, your video light, monitor, and all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna tell you why you need this. Check this out. What's up guys, Mingyan from Camera to Freedom. If you guys use your camera to take photos and video and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom like how I'm doing, I'm trying my best, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So today's video is going to be about this battery handle. It's the first of its kind. External battery that will power all your gears, all your video gears, photography gears, and it's a handle. About time. Like, why didn't they come out with this before? It's crazy. I'm gonna put the link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. It comes with these cables right here, the USB-C, thick coil cable, and also a D-tap adapter. This alone, if you were to look on Amazon and get a decent quality for these two cables, it'll probably come up to you about 60 bucks easy. The value in itself is absolutely amazing. I feel like they're losing money by selling it so cheap. If you get the Pro version, which is only 10 bucks more, you get this little RE mount that swivels. This is so important, I swear to God. I always forget to bring my mount because whenever I put a light on top, I forget to bring that little swivel to angle it downwards so you're not aiming the light straight forward at the person and blinding them. I like to have my light up higher facing down. So this already saves me a hassle because I have forgotten my handle many times. This mount itself, easy 30 bucks on Amazon, right? Already now you're getting this battery for free. That's crazy. So the very first thing I want to talk about is that you can use this for your camera. And what I love about it is this thing has a D-tap output and a USB-C PD power delivery output. It's not just a 5-volt output, it's a high capacity output. So that means that if you use a camera like my Lumix S5, my Nikon Z8, and some of my other cameras, our new cameras nowadays have the ability to plug in your USB-C power delivery system and it will power your camera and charge your battery at the same time. So if you are shooting an event, you got this plugged in, plug this in. Now you got yourself a little handle that you could just hold this all day. If you're shooting an event like how I do all the time and I'm there for like 8 hours, you don't need to bring an extra battery. You could just use this handle and this is all you need all day. So how cool is this? You definitely need this. And also on the bottom of it, it has another 1/4-inch thread. I'm looking around for my little tripod, but I normally would have a tripod on it so I could spread it and then it just sits down. Where is my tripod? It was right here. Hold on. Okay, there it is, I found it. So you could put a little tripod on the bottom. I have like a handful of these, just different shapes and sizes for my GoPro and my other camera gears. But boom, look at that. There it is. How cool is that? All right, so a lot of our video light, that's 60 watt, 80 watt, even 100 watt, you just mount this on top. Just like this. This thing comes with a little adapter, so that way you could put this on top of a tripod, a regular tripod, or even a light tripod that might be missing this head. So you could put a video light on top of it. So there's another value that's just added into this bundle, making it where the battery is now free. That's so insane. I love it. The D-tap is an videography industry standards. A lot of the heavy hitter equipments like the RE cameras, red cameras, and so on, they all use D-tap, easy and sturdy. And because I'm so cheap, I thought, you know what, let's save money and buy a computer external drive that charges up your computer, your phone, and so on. It's got a lot of capacity in there. It has a power delivery output. It must work with my video light. And I've used it and it doesn't work. It lights up, then it shuts down, and then sometimes it just won't even light up again. So I thought I was clever enough to get something like that and use it, but I wasn't clever at all. It doesn't work. It's not meant for it. So you definitely need something like this to light your video light and keep it consistent and not fail at you when you need it the most, because I swear to God, I was trying to shoot the first stance and I needed the light on and it wasn't working. Oh, the stress. Don't go cheap, even though I always do. So another cool method of using this is that you could also use this battery handle with an external monitor. So here's a Shimbo M5 monitor that is made out of aluminum. I love this monitor, by the way. I got all the link below for all the gears that I'm talking about. I mean, you could use the battery back here also, but then let's say you're shooting all day. Let's say you are shooting, I shoot commercials and company videos and short films all day, and I want my director or producer or client to have their own monitor. If you want to keep this monitor running all day and giving your director a dope little handle like this, Come on, impress your client by giving them something cool to hold like this. All right, guys, so bottom line, definitely hook yourself up. ZGCINE is killing it with their videography game, with their external batteries, their V-mount batteries, just making some high quality stuff, very affordable, looks amazing. So I'm gonna put the link below, and if you guys do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support, and leave a comment, just say what's up. Anything will help, because I need all the help I can get, so I appreciate you if you do. And I will see you next time. Get it. Get yourself this battery. Get them.